Samsung is gearing up to revolutionize the smartphone landscape with the highly anticipated Galaxy S25 Ultra. Mobile phone as leaks start to surface, we're getting a glimpse into the exciting design changes that'll take this flagship device to the next level. Rumors suggest that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will boast a sleek new look with rounded corners, similar to the iconic Galaxy Note 7. But that's not all. Samsung might be introducing a redesigned frame that'll make the phone even more comfortable to hold. 上昇線グラフ. But wait, there's more. The latest leaks hint at a host of other design changes that'll make this smartphone a real showstopper. From a new 50MP 3x telephoto camera to a 50MP ultrawide lens, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be a photography powerhouse. Cámara con flash. And if that's not enough, rumors are swirling that Samsung might be ditching the Exynos processor in favor of Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip. This could mean a major boost in performance and efficiency. Rocket. Renowned tipster Ice Universe has spilled the beans on Samsung's latest design revamp for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Get ready for a sleeker, more comfortable smartphone experience. The new frame design boasts a rounded back panel and straight display side, making it thinner than its predecessor, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The bezels on the left and right sides of the display are also getting a significant size reduction. But that's not all. Ice Universe has also hinted at a thinner profile and rounded corners, similar to the iconic Galaxy Note 7. These design tweaks combined with the new frame design will make the phone a joy to hold and use. But wait, there's more. Leaks suggest that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will also feature a powerful 50MP 3x telephoto camera and a 50MP ultrawide lens, making it a photography powerhouse. And if that's not enough, rumors are swirling that Samsung is ditching the Exynos processor in favor of Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip for the Galaxy S25 series. This could mean a significant boost in performance and efficiency. The plot thickens. Exploding head. It seems that the Exynos 2500 chip is facing some significant hurdles with the 3nm fabrication process, which could mean that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip will be powering all the Galaxy S25 models. Rocket. While we'd usually be thrilled to see Samsung ditch the Exynos chip, this time around, it's not necessarily a cause for celebration. Rumors are swirling that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip could come with a higher price tag than its predecessors, which might lead Samsung to increase the prices of the Galaxy S25 series.